We're gonna make a low carb cheeseburger casserole. We're starting with 3 pounds of ground beef. We're gonna throw on our skillet. Get that spread around your skillet. Gotta throw some other stuff on here. About a 1/4 cup of onion. 1/2 cup of thinly sliced radish. Just like my abuela taught me. Just kidding, I don't have an abuela, but my daughter does. Shout out Iya, hey Iya. And we're gonna throw in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. Well, you know what? I want another teaspoon. I'm gonna double what the recipe says. All right, and get all those cooked together. All right, as the meat is starting to brown, we're gonna throw in a log of cream cheese. That's 8 ounces for you folks who want the measurements. And we're gonna get the cheese melted in while it's browning. All right, we got that nice and mixed together. It's looking good and creamy. So now we're gonna throw in a few other things. We're throwing about a couple tablespoons worth of mustard. My wife is not a fan of mustard, but this is an important part of this recipe. And then we're gonna throw in about a 1/4 cup of ketchup in here. Get that all mixed in there together. Get it all there and mixed together. We're gonna throw in a little bit of salt and pepper as well. And pepper. All that mixed together, those flavors combining. Now that we got all that cooked together, we're gonna throw it into our baking dish and start the next phase. All right, so then we're just gonna transfer it over to our baking dish, our 9x13. That thing is heavy. I kind of got a paper towel and got a little bit of that grease out of there. If y'all want to do that at home, just keep it on in there. All right, smooth it over the bottom here. That smells good. It already smells like a cheeseburger. All right, now I shredded up a cup of cheddar cheese. Just sprinkle that over the top. What do you think, baby girl? You like this? We got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna throw it in there for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, baby. And this thing should be ready. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, that thing is bubbling. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that smells good. Now, if you don't want as much grease, you can take a paper towel and dap it, or if you like a little extra grease, you know, in there, then leave it on in there. And I'm gonna let this thing cool and we're gonna try it. All right, let's give this thing a try. Ooh. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness. God bless America. This is great for you low carb people, I'm trying to tell you. All right, so we're gonna put a little, we got some toppings for this recipe. Throw a little, make it, you know, cheeseburgery. Throw a little shredded lettuce, a little tomato. Obviously you're gonna wanna do a bigger helping than what I'm doing right now. Some bacon on top. And some pickle action, if you're into pickles. My wife is not a fan. But if you like them. And let's give this thing a try. Get all the toppings on there. Get the pickle.
It literally looks like a hamburger without the bun.
That's what it is. Whoa, this is really good. Like, I'm not just saying it because I'm filming this video. I would make that face all by myself with no one watching. Y'all gotta try this. If you're on that low carb train, you want something tasty, this is the way, y'all. I'm trying to tell you.